Hey guys, if you are looking for a high quality, durable, and versatile pen that delivers professional results, HexClad 12-inch hybrid non-stick pen with lead might be exactly what you need. I have been using this pen for more than 3 years and it's a game changer in my kitchen. Its tri-ply stainless steel and aluminum construction ensure even heat distribution, while the laser-etched hexagon design provides the perfect balance of non-stick and stainless steel together. It works on all stove tops, it is oven safe, it is scratch resistant and metal utensil safe, easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Overall, if you are looking for a long lasting versatile pen that delivers professional results, HexClad is worth the investment. Yes, I highly recommend this pen. If you are looking for the one, go for it.